Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on a VIVO X90 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom right here. Next is on the top of the screen right here, and that's a phone call speaker. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that's a stereo speaker on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.